In this video, we are going to review the best chafing dishes available in the current market. After reviewing 15 chafing dishes and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Oster Buffet Server. If you are looking for a Schaefer that can warm more than one food item at the same time, then you can the Oster Buffet Server. It is a versatile Schaefer that features 3 compartments of trays that can heat 3 different types of food items at the same time. With this you will be able to separate meat and vegetarian food items in the same Schaefer.
Number 2.
Winware Stainless Steel Schaefer. People cook large quantities of food during special occasions like Thanksgiving. During such occasions you will need a dish that can hold large volumes of food. Winware Schaefer is a presentable dish that will not only serve large batches of food but also keep them warm. With its 8-quart capacity, it is spacious enough to meet everyone's needs, and it is also 2.5 inches deep. The dripless water pan, tight-fitting dome lid and 2 sterno fuel holders boasts its efficiency.
Number 3.
Party Essentials Chafing Kits. If you suddenly have the urge to throw an outdoors party but you don't have the required equipment to serve food for a large number of people and keep the food warm at the same, then you can purchase Party Essentials Chafing Kit. It comes with 33 disposable pieces including serving forks, spoons, tongs, water pan, food pan, gel fuel and chafing racks. The chafing kit of Party Essentials consists of 3 water pans, 6 food pans, 3 wire racks, 6 gel fuels, 6 serving forks, 6 serving forks and 3 serving tongs.
Number 4.
Cuisinart Stainless 11-inch Round Buffet Servers. A chafing dish that will not only blend in easily with other utensils but also add an elegant charm to your buffet as Cuisinart Buffet Server. This 11 inches round-shaped server has many admirable features that may interest you and suit your needs. The beautiful stainless steel exterior of the server will prevent it from rusting.
Number 5.
Excelsteel Stainless Chafing Dish. Amongst chafing dishes, Excelsteel Chafing Dishes is one of those heavy-duty products that can attract the interest of both professionals and individuals. If you plan on using the server for special occasions at home, then you can opt for the 4-quart sized one. And the 8-quart sized one is more suitable for professional use. But whichever size you choose, this dish will provide you efficient functionality.